Hello everyone, today we will demonstrate the usage of linear programming, and the example that we took is making a bomb. So before we start ourselves, I will introduce myself. My name is Yazid Pratama as a bomb master.
And my name is Yehezkiel Tobias Broto as a messenger.
And my name is Yosephine dari Utami as environment.
And my name is Yuka Sakinah as a client.
And my name is Zahra Virisya Tamerawan as a data analyst.
Happy watching.
Hello, good morning, my client.
Yes,
How can
good
I
morning.
help you?
So it's been a while since we last met. This time, I'd like to create a bigger explosion impact that could kill a large group of people. I need you to create the deadliest bomb you could build with the limited material stock. I prepared 36 for gunpowder, 50 for ammonium, 45 for aluminium, and 54 for sulfur. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Hello, informant. So, here we are. We have our new client. He need. Do you get it, informant?
Yes. So our company has a making machine that has two kind of bomb, which is red and blue. Every time we press the red bomb, it needs to contain 2 kilograms of gunpowder,
9 kilograms of ammonium, 5 kilograms of aluminium, and 9 kilograms of sulfur.
But if we press blue bomb once, the bombs need to contain 8 kilograms of gunpowder,
3 kilograms of ammonium, 3 kilograms of ammonium, and 6 kilograms of sulfur.
Okay, I get it. Okay, thank you, informant. I will check into data analysis and bomb master. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, messenger.
Hello,
Hello.
data analyst.
Hello, what would you need me to analyze?
I have an information for informant that she have a two different type of bomb.
Before you tell me the data, so you need me to calculate how to create as many bombs as our client wants.
Yeah,
Okay, so wait, I will use the GeoGebra and you can help me to tell the data one by one slowly, okay?
yeah, it's okay.
Okay, so firstly, for the first material we need, what is that?
The first material is about mesiu.
Okay, so for the red bomb, you say red bomb, how much messy we need?
We need 3 kilo of mesiu.
Okay. What about for the blue one?
For the blue one is we need 8 kilo.
Okay. And the total messy we have?
36.
Okay. The next one.
The next one is ammonium.
Okay. You can tell me the data for the red one first and the blue first, then the total, okay? Like before.
Okay, so
Okay. So these are the data you got from the informant, right? So we have to choose how much this all to create the blue bomb and red bomb. So firstly, what we need to do is make the graph by using it like this. You copy all the data and using this symbol because we have limited source. Using the symbol, then hit copy. Okay, so this is the graph. Now what we need to do next is to create the intersect point.
We will use this one.
Click every line that have intersect with each other. Okay, so we got all the intersect point. Now we are going to calculate the data. Oh yeah, you haven't told me about
How much is the capacity of killing for each bomb? Like, how many people can die from this red bomb and blue bomb?
So for the red one is 2000.
2000. Oh, okay. Wait. And for the blue one?
Is 3000.
Okay, then now we can calculate it with the spreadsheet. This is the data we got from the calculation. So the first row is when the capacity of killing of red bomb, which is 2000 times with the X value of each intercept point. For example, the A point is 0 times with 2000 equals 0. For the second row is about when the capacity of killing people of the blue bomb, which is 3000 people, times with the Y value of each intercept point, which is 54220. So these are the results. And when we sum it all,
We put the value in the third row.
then this is it. Get this all data and you can bring this to your next.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.
Hello, Bowmaster.
Hello, Messenger.
Okay, Bowmaster, here's what data that I have from data analyst. Can you tell me what is the better one?
So from what we see here from the spreadsheet, you can see point C has 8,000 of bomb number 1 and 6,000 of bomb number 2, and the result would be have 14,000 of the victim. So my best choice would be C and D because between the two bombs, the client chooses to have the most result, right?
Yeah, that's true.
So even though it has the same amount of bomb and the same amount of result of the victim, I would say, I mean, it's still 50-50. Number C would be enough. So based on the equation before, point C and D means that we need 4 package for red bombs and 2 package for blue bombs. So point C would be the better one here, considering that we have minimum resource for the bomb and would be easy to create the bomb this way.
Okay, thank you very much, Master. My client will be happy for your job. Thank you very much. And I will tell my client about this equation that you have. Thank you. Hello? Are you there,
Yes,
client?
hello.
So here's the I have a happy news. We got if you want to make a big bomb, then you need 4 packets of red bomb and then 2 packets of blue bomb that contains 28 kilo of gunpowder,
44 kilo of ammonium, 38 kilo of aluminum, and then the last you need 48 kilo of sulfur.
Okay, thank you for your hard work.
Thank you very much. I hope you happy with our data.
Yes, I'm super happy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kayaknya pada open cam nggak sih tadi?
Enggak sih.
Tahu gitu gua off cam dari tadi.